Oh, that's an easy one. Definitely a bold red lip. Doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter what your style is, doesn't matter what size you are, everybody can rock a bold red lip. And I feel like it tells a little something about you without you ever having to say a word.
Ta musique est ma vie, profite bien acquis. Après les drames, les larmes, je dépose les armes. Ta musique est couleur, aquarelle de bonheur. J'ai cru m'endormir, j'ai failli.
Buy the shoes, darling. The rent will eventually get paid. They're eventually going to have to turn the lights back on. But those pearl embellished Chanel pumps that you spend a month's salary on, they'll be priceless to you when you're in your 50s. Oh, hands down, Billy Porter. First of all, he's beautiful. Second of all, he's beautiful. Third of all, he just oozes talent out of every single pore of his body, and I'm convinced that just being in his presence for even a millisecond would provide enough creativity that you could thrive on for a lifetime. So if you're watching, Monsieur Porter, give us a call.
Ta musique est ma vie, profite bien acquis. Après les drames, les larmes, je dépose les armes. Ta musique est...
So my great aunt Celeste, who is 96 years old, once said to me, baby, you can wear anything you want, but if you're going to show everything at the top, you have to cover everything at the bottom. And if you're going to show everything at the bottom, you better cover everything up top. Nobody wants to see what you're thinking. That's good advice, ladies. And don't fidget. Own it. That's some good advice, too. That's an interesting one. So Marie Antoinette's wardrobe was magnificent, but everything the woman owned required an entire team of people to get her in and out of it. I just don't have that kind of time in the morning. So I think I'm gonna have to go with Carrie Bradshaw. That was a magnificent wardrobe. Perfect mix of vintage and new and sidewalk thrifted and hook tour. And the woman had a shoe for absolutely every emotion. That's the kind of wardrobe I can get behind. She made it chic for grown women to wear ballerina tutus. Patricia Field was a genius.
Après les drames, les larmes, je dépose les armes. Ta musique est couleur, aquarelle de bonheur. J'ai cru m'endormir, j'ai failli mourir. Porté par tes arpèges, je vais m'en sortir. J'ai cru m'endormir.
Ooh la la? That's not what you want, is it? French, unexpected, chic.
Ta musique est ma vie, profite bien acquis. Après les drames, les larmes, je dépose les armes.